you're experiencing a slower installation loop for Call of Duty, there are several steps you can take to speed up the process. Follow these steps to optimize your installation experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the game. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. Upgrading hardware can significantly improve installation speed. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, which is crucial for downloading game files quickly. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use bandwidth or system resources can slow down the installation process. Use the Task Manager to identify and close these applications. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Clear your temporary files and cache. Use the Disk Cleanup tool on Windows to remove unnecessary files that might be taking up space and slowing down the installation. This can help improve overall performance. Step 5. Adjust installation settings. Check the installation settings in the game launcher. Make sure you're installing to a drive with sufficient space and consider changing the installation location to a faster SSD if available. This can help speed up the installation process. By following these steps, you should be able to speed up the installation loop for Call of Duty. Good luck, and enjoy your gaming experience.